Hello everyone, hope you're doing well and welcome to the JavaScript complete course. In this video we are going to talk about clone method in JavaScript. So before jumping over to the main point, if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get the notification of my new video when I upload them. Alright, so let's get started. So first we are going to talk about the use of the clone node, and then we will jump over to the practice section. So let's suppose I have a list of a fruit, and the right side I have the list of the some vegetables. If I want to copy, let's suppose grapes from a fruit list to the vegetable list, that time I can use the clone node, or this means that I'm going to clone the grapes and take it to the vegetable list. So that's the use of the clone node. Now let's jump over to the practice section and we will learn this more deeper. So as you can see on the screen, here I have a live demo of my web page, and here you can see here I have created two UL. First is the list one, the ID name is list one, and the second one is list two. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to copy this from this apple from list 1 to and paste it inside list 2. For this we are going to use the clone node. Now let's here you can see this is the script section where we are going to type our code. So first we are going to create a var or variable, and we are going to name this target is equal to document dot get element by ID. So here we're going to specify the name of the ID, which is list 1, and inside the list 1 ID we are going to select the child or the children of this list 1 ID. So here I'm going to say children, and inside this children we are going to specify the index number of the children. So I'm going to target the 0 index, and let's add the semicolon at the end, and after that I'm going to create another variable which is var or copy element is equal to target dot clone node, and inside this, and the clone node also have the property. So I'm going to talk about this after console this. So I'm going to use the copy element, and now when I save this, and now let's jump over, right click, come to the inspect and come to the console. It pop-ups an error. Let's check what is the error. Index 0. So here I have a spelling mistake. Let me solve this. It is RE. Now when I save this, and let's jump over to the console, let's check what is another mistake here. Target, and also we need to change this capital C into lowercase. And now let's save this, and here you can see it's going to copy the element of selected index. So let me tell you that the clone node also have two attributes, which are true and false, and the default is false. If we type false and save this, it will do the same thing, and it's not going to append the data of that particular element that we have selected. But if we say true and save this, it will also get or append the data inside the selected element. So here you can see the first or the 0 index is apple, and also it will display for us. And now what we are going to do, we are going to display this inside this vegetable or list 2 ID. So for this we are going to say document dot get element by ID, and here we are going to specify the second ID, which is list 2, and here we're going to use the append child. Inside the parentheses we are going to copy the name of the copy element. Let's paste it here and semicolon, and when we save this, here you can see and here you can see the element is copied. So this is the use of the clone node. The clone node will copy the any element from one list to another list. So that's it. Hope you understand. If you have any question, any suggestion, please leave the comment below. If you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe this channel so that you'll get the notification of my new video when I upload them.